To keep a wet mop clean, rinse it under running water after every use. Rinse the mop head until the water runs clear, then let it dry out in the sun if possible. After every 4 uses, soak the mop head in a disinfecting solution, such as a mixture of 1 gallon, 3.8 liters of hot water, and 1 cup, 237 milliliters, of white vinegar. Let the mop sit in the solution for about 15 minutes, then wring it out and let it dry. You can also wash detachable cloth mop heads with hot water in the washing machine or dishwasher. Add a capful of bleach to the detergent dispenser in the washing machine, or pour 1 cup, 237 milliliters, of vinegar into the dispenser in the dishwasher. Wring your mop out and let it dry completely when the wash cycle is over.